Hair fall is a common issue among men, affecting confidence and self-esteem. Whether caused by genetics, stress, or poor scalp health, finding the right treatment can be challenging. Luckily, science-backed products can help combat hair loss, strengthen follicles, and promote regrowth. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best hair fall treatments for men, each designed to tackle hair loss effectively. If you're looking for real solutions, stick around as we dive into the best options to help restore your hair and confidence. Kicking off our list at number 1, Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. The Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is not just any ordinary shampoo, it's a clinically proven formula designed to fight dandruff while reducing hair loss. Ketoconazole, its active ingredient, combats the root causes of hair fall by eliminating fungal infections that weaken hair follicles. This medicated shampoo is often recommended by dermatologists for men experiencing dandruff-related hair loss and thinning hair issues. Key features: Nizoral contains 1% ketoconazole, an antifungal agent that helps maintain a clean, healthy scalp. It also has a thick lathering formula that penetrates deep into the hair roots, eliminating dandruff and excess sebum buildup. Despite its strong formulation, it is gentle enough for use twice a week without causing excessive dryness. Benefits and usage: this shampoo helps reduce inflammation, itching, and flaking, all of which contribute to hair thinning. By keeping the scalp clean and free of fungi, it promotes healthier follicles, allowing stronger hair growth. To use, apply a small amount to wet hair, massage thoroughly into the scalp, and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Use it twice a week for the best results. Usability: Nizoral is easy to integrate into any hair care routine. It works well with other hair loss treatments, such as minoxidil and biotin supplements. Users find it effective in maintaining scalp health, but consistent use is key to seeing visible results. Durability: a single bottle of Nizoral lasts around 2 months, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. Since only a small amount is needed per wash, it provides great value for money. In the second spot, we have Ultrax Labs Hair Surge. The Ultrax Labs Hair Surge Shampoo is a premium caffeine-based shampoo designed to stimulate hair growth while reducing hair loss. Unlike regular shampoos, this product contains powerful DHT-blocking ingredients that target the root cause of male pattern baldness. It is a go-to choice for men seeking an advanced solution to combat hair thinning. Key features: Hair Surge features caffeine compounds that energize hair follicles, saw palmetto extract to block DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss, and ketoconazole to keep the scalp healthy. It also includes essential oils that nourish the scalp and promote stronger, thicker hair growth. Benefits and usage: this shampoo helps reduce hair fall by blocking DHT, improving blood circulation to the scalp, and strengthening existing hair strands. Users report noticeable hair thickening within a few weeks of consistent use. Apply a generous amount to wet hair, massage deeply into the scalp, and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Use 3 times a week for best results. Usability: Ultrax Labs Hair Surge is easy to use and works well with other hair care products. While slightly pricier than regular shampoos, its concentrated formula ensures that each wash provides maximum benefits. Durability: a bottle lasts about 2 months with recommended use. Since the formula is highly concentrated, a little goes a long way, making it a worthwhile investment for serious hair regrowth efforts. Coming in at number 3 is the Nutrafol Men. The Nutrafol Men supplement is a clinically tested, physician-recommended formula designed to improve hair density and combat thinning. Unlike topical treatments, Nutrafol works from within by providing the body with essential nutrients that promote hair growth while reducing stress and inflammation-related hair loss. Key features: Nutrafol Men contains key ingredients such as saw palmetto to block DHT, marine collagen for hair strength, ashwagandha to reduce stress-related shedding, and biotin to enhance keratin production. The supplement is free from artificial additives and is designed to support overall hair health. Benefits and usage: by nourishing hair follicles from within, Nutrafol helps promote stronger, thicker hair growth while reducing breakage. The formula also supports overall scalp health, reducing dryness and irritation. Take 4 capsules daily with food for optimal results. Consistency is crucial, as visible improvements may take 3 to 6 months. Usability: Nutrafol Men is easy to integrate into daily routines, as it only requires taking the capsules with a meal. It works well alongside topical treatments like minoxidil and DHT-blocking shampoos. Durability: a single bottle lasts for 1 month, making it a slightly high-maintenance investment. However, given its clinical backing and high success rate, many users find the long-term benefits worth the cost. Taking our 4th spot is Viviscal Man. The Viviscal Man supplement is a scientifically formulated hair growth solution designed to provide essential nutrients for stronger and thicker hair. Trusted by dermatologists, this supplement works by strengthening existing hair and promoting regrowth from within. Key features: the formula includes amino margarine complex, biotin, zinc, and vitamin C, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining hair strength. It is free from harmful additives and is backed by clinical research for effectiveness. Benefits and usage: Viviscal Man helps reduce hair shedding while improving hair thickness and scalp health. By nourishing follicles with essential nutrients, it creates an ideal environment for new hair growth. Take 2 tablets daily, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, with food for best results. Usability: this supplement is easy to use and fits well into any daily routine. It can be paired with hair-friendly shampoos and topical treatments for enhanced results. Durability: each bottle contains a 1-month supply, requiring consistent repurchasing. However, with regular use, many users experience significant improvements within 3 to 6 months. And finally, at number 5, we have Biotin Supplements. The Biotin supplement is a fundamental addition to any hair care routine, known for its ability to improve hair strength and prevent thinning. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is essential for keratin production, which is necessary for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Key features: Biotin supplements come in various forms, including capsules, gummies, and liquid drops. They are often combined with other hair-friendly vitamins like zinc and folic acid to enhance results. Many brands offer high-potency options, ensuring effective daily intake. Benefits and usage: Biotin enhances keratin production, leading to stronger hair strands and reduced breakage. It also supports scalp health, preventing dryness and irritation. Take 1 capsule or gummy daily with a meal. Results may take a few months to become visible, but consistent use leads to noticeable improvements. Usability: Biotin is easy to incorporate into any routine, as it requires just 1 daily dose. It works well in conjunction with other hair growth treatments and shampoos for maximum effectiveness. Durability: a single bottle of Biotin supplements typically lasts for 1 to 2 months, depending on the dosage. It is an affordable and widely available option for long-term hair maintenance. Finding the right hair fall treatment requires patience and consistency. Whether you choose a shampoo like Nizoral or Ultrax Labs Hair Surge, a supplement like Nutrafol Men or Viviscal Man, or an essential vitamin like Biotin, each of these products can help improve hair strength and reduce shedding. The key is to stick with your routine and give your hair the care it needs. If you've tried any of these, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews on the best hair care solutions.